Okay, we have a triangle X, Y, Z, and it's not a right angle triangle. We're told the perimeter is K, and we're given that X equals Y minus 1 here. Find the value of K. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and relate all these things. We're given an angle, we're given three sides, we're given X equals Y minus 1. So I can write straight away that that's Y minus 1. That makes life a little bit easier, because then I've got a side, an angle, a side, and a side, and I've only got one unknown, it's a y. So if I use the cosine rule, because it's the best one I've got, then I can actually get an equation in y and try and solve it. And once I've found y, I can then find x, and then I can find the perimeter. So let's do that. So I know that the opposite side to the angle squared, y minus 1 all squared, will equal the other two sides squared, 5 squared plus y squared, minus 2 times 5 times y times cos of 60. And that's just the cosine rule. All I've done is put the numbers into the cosine rule. If you remember, a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos of a. That's all I've done there. So I've just called this side a. I've called this side b and this side c, or vice versa. It doesn't really matter which b and c are. So let's multiply this all out. So I get y squared minus 2y plus 1. I've just sped that up. You can work that out for yourself as a check. 25 plus y squared minus 2 times 5 is 10y times cos of 60. Now cos of 60 is just a half, and you need to realise that. It helps you a lot if you know that off by heart. So let's just do a bit more simplification. Just multiply that out. Let's get 25 plus y squared minus 5y. And you can see I've got a quadratic. Let's get it all onto which side. Doesn't really matter. This side I'm going to put it all on, because then I get a plus y. What you can see, actually, I don't need a quadratic. My y squareds cancel. So add 5y, I get 3y over here, plus 2 equals 25. Take away the, just checking, sorry, I've written, can't read my own writing. Sorry, that's not a 2, that's a 1. 1. Okay, there, I could see the next number was not going to be nice, that's why I stopped. So again, there you go, I spotted a mistake from seeing something wasn't going to be very nice. So I've got 3y equals 24 now. So that divides by 3, whereas if I had 2, it wouldn't divide it by 3 very nicely. It's not a big deal, because actually, it's not that bad an answer. It's got thirds. You should be able to deal with thirds. If it had been a more horrible number, then you might have just definitely checked. Okay, all right. So we've got y equals 8. So we know that the perimeter is equal to 5 plus y minus 1. So that's going to equal 5 plus 16 minus 1. So that's 21. So the perimeter equals 20. And that's what k is. K equals 20.